For a franchise business, delivering the same seamless voice experience across every location can be challenging. Each franchise needs a reliable way to manage customer calls, availability, and support without creating a disconnected experience. That's where PureSpace comes in. Powered by Zeb's multi-company voice AI agentic framework, PureSpace brings together Amazon Connect and Amazon Novasonic to create intelligent, natural voice experiences for every franchise. The framework can plug into a client's existing CRM, service management, and scheduling systems, allowing the voice agent to connect conversations directly with the tools the business already uses. Each franchise can customize its setup by configuring customer-facing numbers, business hours, call availability, fallback support, and other settings based on its operational needs. So whether a customer calls during business hours or needs additional assistance, every interaction follows a consistent and connected experience. With PureSpace, Amazon Connect, and Amazon Novasonic, franchises can reduce missed calls, respond faster, and deliver a smoother voice experience.